If you own Tesla stock, what do you think will happen to the company going forward? Since Elon Musk's recent mishaps, most professionals still don't understand his management style. Before making any conclusions regarding the stock in this video, though, I'll tell you what Cathie Wood says about the incredibly volatile Tesla stock. While Warren Buffett and Ron Barron are frequently referenced when discussing successful investors, who knows what might be in store for those of us who believe in the immense value out of Tesla and its fantastic long-term prospects. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons before we head there. Cathie Wood, the founder, CEO, and Chief Investment Officer of ARK Investment Management LLC, is another name that has been in the news recently. She is renowned for being an innovative. Although Cathie Wood has been in the investment industry for almost 40 years, she is considered a pioneer in the field of stock investing, particularly in the area of disruptive technologies. Her reputation as a tech and innovation investor was strengthened in 2020 when her ARK Innovation Fund returned nearly 150%. What else does Cathie have to her name? Well, she has been known to make audacious predictions about what the future holds, and she is an advocate for both Bitcoin and the notion that Tesla is currently very cheap. Someone estimates that what's future value will be $3 trillion, which has gained the material notoriety among investors. The ARK Invest asset management firm she founded is famous for its forward-thinking investments in cutting-edge industries like robotics, genomics, AI, blockchain technology, and green energy, all areas where the wagers have been placed. She is listed by Forbes as a over 50 power woman for the years 2017-2021. Why does Cathie have such a soft spot for Tesla, given that, as of early 2018, her estimated net worth was $250 million, while ARK Investments assets were valued at over $60 billion. Cathie Wood spoke at the World Economic Forum that year and was honored by Bloomberg and Fortune. Rather than concentrating on specific companies or industries or attempting to turn a profit quickly, ARK and others use a theme investment approach. Thematic investors search for concepts that have the potential to change the world in two ways, even if the underlying technology isn't fully developed. They consider the broad picture when deciding where to spend money in order to obtain the best long-term returns. Tesla is a great choice for this category because, first, the company constantly develops innovative technologies and products to get ready for the future. Secondly, ARK Invest looks for companies across different locations and capitalization levels. Many of Woodstock's recommendations and the companies she invests in for ARK's funds are those that are creating and implementing innovative technologies and techniques, since they are qualities that can offer consistent support. Wood's favorite field is genetics, but artificial intelligence and DNA sequencing are also on the list. Among Tesla's many features are automated driving, 3D printing, robot power storage, blockchain operating details, and automated driving. Cathie Wood supports firms at the forefront of technological development. ARK Innovation Fund. This includes automation in software engineering as well as driverless cars, blockchain, robotics, and other topics, an excellent choice for investors interested in blockchain-related companies, artificial intelligence, wireless technology, computer security, and driverless cars is the ARK Next Generation Internet. After the recent decline in the price of Tesla stock on Wall Street, the company's three funds were able to increase their holdings in the business. Over the course of the second weekend, members saw that ARK Innovations ETF had purchased 27,594 shares. The three areas of focus for the ARK Autonomous Tech and Robotics Exchange Traded Fund are market robotics, energy storage, space travel, and 3D printing. The companies that comprise the bioinformatics sector of the state-of-the-art genomic revolution, ETF, are involved in stem cell research, plant biology, and specific therapeutics. On the other hand, the ARK ETF for fintech innovation offers easy access to capital through transactions involving blockchain technology modifications to the risk assessment and funding processes for seasonal user-specific platforms. Lastly, companies involved in various aspects of space exploration, such as aerospace, are targets for investments made by the ARK Space Exploration and Innovation EDF 2909 shares acquired by the Next Generation Internet EDF, and 9,173 shares acquired by the Autonomous Technology and Robots ETF. Both Tesla and SpaceX, as producers and developers of orbital and suborbital spacecraft, as well as related equipment and vehicles have profited tremendously from such investment. Although the idea behind Tesla is not entirely new, it is still one of her most valuable investments. And Wood has made her process for valuing Tesla shares free of charge available to the public. ARK Invest has conducted a thorough analysis on a significant holding, and the business thinks that this approach will increase investor transparency in that research. The business has updated its forecast for autonomous vehicles operating in hills and updated its evaluation of Tesla's 2022 results. Through the year 2026, future capital efficiency is projected using the model's outcomes in terms of cost and return. By 2026, Tesla expects to reach its target price of $4,600 from ARK. Yet data gathered by Tesla indicates that there is a 25% chance that the stock will be valued at $2,900 in 2026 in the event that things go badly and $5,800 in the event that they go well. ARK notes that the cost of capital for each additional unit of capacity at Tesla has dropped from $84,000 to $71,100, which is a positive development. Although the business now projects that it will only spend $2,000 to $7,000 in 2026, Tesla will pay $6,000 to $8,000 for each additional unit of capacity in 2025. However, bear in mind that the August stock split happened following the release of, according to this study, from 2018 through 2026. The robo-taxi segment is expected to account for over 50% of Tesla's EBITDA and 62% of the company's enterprise value based on estimated sales volume. At that time, our estimations placed Tesla's share price at about $891. In 2026, Tesla expects to generate 57% of its revenue from electric vehicles and 34% from the robot taxi industry. If business sells 10 million units, its market valuation will reach $3.3 trillion. The company's revenue would be $372 billion, and the share price would be $2,900. The growth rate over a year is 24%. If the company sold 17 million units in 2026, it would have a market value of $6.7 trillion, a share price of $5,800, and revenue of $513 billion. This is the optimistic scenario. It is well known that Cathie Wood is a devoted and steadfast supporter of Tesla. The company's bonds and stocks have been extensively examined by financial institutions such as ARK Invest. The status of the stock market and the economy are also taken into consideration. Despite fluctuating pricing for electric vehicles, analysts and investors are still closely monitoring Tesla shares. Investors are still keen to purchase Tesla stock. If Tesla is the first company to successfully implement autonomous vehicles on American roads, ARK Investments is certain that the company will continue to hold a strong position in the market. According to Cathie Wood, there is growing belief that by 2026, Tesla will account for 20 to 25% of the overall car industry, in addition to holding the highest share of the electric car market. The primary competitors of Tesla are said to be envious of the company's production methodology. Well-known automakers such as the Volkswagen Group have openly declared that Tesla is the industry benchmark for a more efficient production process, game changer in the robotaxi industry. It has been speculated that Tesla's model will operate independently of humans, which has the potential to completely alter the transportation sector and render logistical companies obsolete. Demand for Tesla's other operations, such as home solar power generating and storage, is so high that the company is struggling to keep up with demand. Time will tell if Cathie is right about Tesla, but we do know that ARK Investment is making a sizable bet on the company's future and that investors seem to believe what Cathie Wood has predicted. If you want to be completely astounded by more content regarding Tesla stock, hit the button and subscribe to this channel. We appreciate your time and we'll see you in the next video.